Welcome to Philippines, Brands, your ultimate destination for the freshest daily essentials and more, all delivered right to your doorstep.
At Philippines Brands, we take pride in being the #1 and leading online shopping experience in the Philippines.
With our commitment to quality, convenience, and customer satisfaction, we've earned the trust of customers all across the nation.
What sets us apart is our dedication to delivering only the freshest foods daily. From succulent fruits to crisp vegetables, we handpick the finest produce to ensure that every bite is a delight.
But that's not all. Philippines Brands is your one-stop shop for everything you need to make life easier and more enjoyable. From fresh meats, seafood, fruits, vegetables, ice cream, milk, fruit juices, and bakery goods, we've got you covered.
Behind Philippines Brands is a dedicated team of professionals who work tirelessly to make your shopping experience seamless and stress-free. Our commitment to excellence drives us to go above and beyond to exceed your expectations.
So why wait? Experience the joy of shopping with Philippines Brands today and discover a world of freshness, convenience, and happiness delivered right to your doorstep.